Welcome, students. Welcome to my class. And today I have come to live, okay, so that you can share your difficulties and I can help to solve your difficulties, okay, so that I have come to you live, okay. And please, if you have any difficulties regarding mathematics, okay, you can share your difficulties in comment box, okay, type in comment, okay, so that I can solve that problems. Those are the problems I'll solve turn by turn, okay. And here, first I want to share, okay, one question. The question is given like this. Prove that this is to prove, okay? This is from additional mathematics, or you can tell it optional mathematics also. Question is given like that. Prove that radian or ADIN, okay? Radian is a radian is a constant angle. Radian is a constant angle. Radian is a constant angle. Constant angle. This is the question, okay? Now I want to show you here step by step how to prove this question. The question is to prove that radian is a constant angle, okay? And for this we have to draw the figure here. Look, I want to show you here figure. Here I want to draw the figure here, okay? Figure is like this, the circle. This is circle, okay? And let's draw this circle a little bit up, okay? Little bit up. Okay, now you can draw this like this, okay? Yeah, it's okay. We have to take the help of this circle, right? And now in this circle, now let's take the help of this is the diameter, okay, and this is the diameter, okay, and now we have to draw here one, look here, this one, this is the radius, this radius, okay, we put this name O is the center, this one, okay, origin one, and here is A. OA is the radius here. Then now we are taking the help of here this radius OA and this arc length, okay, the name of this arc length is AB, okay, right, and this is from A to this one, okay, B1 up to here, from A to B, this is arc length, okay, this is arc, this arc AB we write like this, okay, A over there is cap on, okay, arc AB. When this arc length AB and this radius OA are equal, right, and this angle may, okay, this is made at the center, this is known as 1 radian, right, this is known as 1 radian, okay, this is the definition of radian also, right, when the radius of the circle, okay, and this arc length, look here, arc length AB is equal, at that time the angle made at the center of the circle is known as 1 radian, okay, this is the definition of radian also, and here is the radius, this one also, that's why this radius also equal with this radius one, because they are the radii of the same circle, okay, and this arc length also equal, okay, here this arc length also equal, arc length AB is equal to radius OA or radius OB, right, okay, and we know this is OA, this is 0 degree here, and here will be 90 degree, this 90 degree means this is pi by 2, okay, this part is known as pi by 2, okay, and then suppose this is point C, this is point C, okay, at the point C, and from A to C there will be here 180 degree, that's why it is known as pi radian, okay, this is pi radian here, clear, and whatever I have told just now here, okay, and this is, you know 3 pi radian by 2, yes, this is 0 degree and this is water 90, this is 180, and this is 270 degree, that's why it is known as 3 pi radian by 2, and when it will come here one complete round here, and this up to here, this is the up to here, this is 2 pi radian, which is also known as 360 degree, this one complete rotation, complete round, okay, this circle makes 360 degree, right, this 2 pi radian means 360 degree, okay, now look here, whatever I told you here about this figure, that should be mentioned, in this proof, okay, look here, while doing this proof, write a proof like this, okay, proof, write a proof, and in this proof, whatever is shown in this figure, that should be written here in language. Okay, and right here in this figure, right here in this figure, in okay, the adjoining figure, we can tell in the adjoining, right here in the adjoining, right, in the adjoining figure, we can tell here in the adjoining figure, right, in the adjoining figure, what we did here. Okay, those all the things right here in the adjoining figure, comma, O is the center, right here, O is the center, O is the center with the center of the circle right here, with the center, with the center of the circle. Okay, center of the circle, with the center of the circle, clear, with the center of the circle. And we know that here this OA radius, okay, we know that there is radius, we can write here radius, okay, radius name is here OA, and OB right here, right here, radius OA is equal to the arc AB, right? Radius OA is equal to arc AB. In such condition, the angle is formed here at the center, right? That angle name is given there, angle AOB, right? The angle name is angle AOB. That angle is known as 1 radian. Okay, that angle is known as, right, 1 radian here, because this arc length, okay, and this radius are equal. That's why the angle made at the center of the circle is known as 1 radian. Okay, clear up to here? And after that, from here to here, this arc, okay, up to here, I have written here. From here to here, this is semicircle. That's why this arc length will be, okay, half of this. This total one circle is 2 pi r, and up to here, what will be here? Pi r only here up to this side. Okay, and this length, okay, this arc length will be that one. And now we have to write here this all given. Then we know that right here. We know right, okay, right here we know what we know. Look here, students, the radius of the central angles, okay, we know that ratio, this one, okay, look at this radius and this also radius, okay, these are known as the radii of the same what central angle, this one, okay, these both of them are equal. Now here we want to write here, we know that right here, okay, ratio, which ratio we are going to find here? Ratio of, right, ratios of central angle, okay, ratios of central angle, ratios of central angle right here, ratios of central angle, angles, okay, ratios of central angles, okay, and their corresponding arc right here, and their corresponding are proportional. their their corresponding arc, right? Okay, ratio of central angle and their corresponding arc, right? Their corresponding their corresponding arcs, okay, their corresponding arcs are proportional, right here, okay, are corresponding arcs are proportional, right here, okay. Proportional means the ratios are equal, okay. This proportion means the ratios are equal. Proportional, right? Okay. And look, children, here. What does this mean? Um, its language means what does this mean? This means that is okay. Its meaning is written there. First one is look here AOB. I am taking this one angle AOB, central angle, and then I am taking here next central angle is next central angle. I am taking AOC also. Okay, angle AOC, angle AOC, right? And this ratio will be equal, okay, with the ratio of the arc. Here is arc. First one is arc A for AOB. Okay, for AOB and arc is AB. This arc, okay, this is arc over this cap arc AB. And what will be the arc for this AOC angle? ABC. Okay, its arc name is, and this one arc ABC. Okay, this arc. Okay, and we know that location AOB angle is given there 1 radian, right? It is given 1 radian by, and AOC, we know AOC, this angle is 180 degree, we know, because that is straight angle, right? This will be 180 degree equals to arc AB. Arc AB is this one radius, right? Right here, radius, that is equal to radius R, and ABC, look here, ABC, that is the semicircle one. We know one complete circle is one round, one complete circle round, okay? One complete round of the circle is 2 pi r, and this is half, that's why it will be pi r only. Right here, pi r only, okay? Then this r and this r will be cancelled, there is one remaining, and we have to write here now 1 radian, okay? 1 radian, this 180 degree will go to multiply here, okay? 180 degree into 1, it will be here 180 degree, right? Here is 100, 100, this is 100, right? 180 degree, and down there is pi, okay? Down there is pi, okay? Therefore we can tell, look, 1 radian equals to, it is coming here 180 degree down pi, okay? Both of these values of numerator and denominator both are constant, okay? This upper one value, okay, and this down one value both are constant. Therefore we can tell radian, okay? Hence we have to tell, hence what we have to tell, hence it is proved that, okay, radian, okay, hence the, we have to tell the radian, okay, hence the radian is a constant angle, you can tell radian is a radian is a constant angle right there, okay, and proved radian is a constant angle, radian is a constant angle, it is proved there. Then we have tried here proved, this theorem is proved, okay. I hope you understood it. If there is any confusion, you can ask, okay? If there is any confusion, ask me. I'm looking your comments in comment box. Please, if you have difficulty, you can share your questions. Write that question in comment box so that I can help for your difficulties and you can solve it. If you have any difficulties from class 1 to class 10, okay, in mathematics, it may be optional mathematics also, or additional mathematics also, or any other compulsory mathematics, okay, you share in comment box. I will help to understand that problem. Okay, this is the process to prove that how the radian, this one radian, okay, this one radian value came both constant. This 100 degree also the constant value, pi also constant value, okay. This pi value is 22 by 7, okay, that we can tell in decimal 3.142, okay. Both the values are constant, that's why it proves that the radian is the constant angle. Okay, students. If you have any other difficulties, you can share with me. This is number one, sharing, okay, with the students. Now look here, I want to share with you the next question. This one I want to clear. This question I'm sharing with you that students feel difficult. Okay, to prove the angles congruent. Okay, this triangles. Okay, triangles congruent, not the angles. There are triangles. Suppose the question is given like this. Look here. In such condition, how you will prove this? This is question number two, right? And question is like this here. If there is given parallelogram, okay? If one parallelogram is given there, look here in parallelogram, I'm going to show you one parallelogram. In parallelogram, The name of the parallelogram is given, suppose there L A C M. Okay, LSM. Suppose the figure is like this. This is one side of the parallelogram. This is another side of the parallelogram, right? And this is another side, and this is also another side. Look here. This is the figure LSAM. Okay, and suppose here is given L A C M, right? If this is one parallelogram given, okay, right? And question is asking that prove. Question is asking to prove here. Prove, okay. Triangle name is this, okay. This is triangle. Prove triangle, and we have to take the help this one diagonal also here. Question asking to prove triangle LAC, right? Triangle name is LAC, LAC, right? And how to prove this triangle congruent to triangle? This is the symbol of congruent. This triangle is congruent to triangle. LAC is congruent to triangle LMC. LMC. Okay. I have shared with you also in previous videos and how to show the triangle congruent. Okay. There are altogether 5 exams. Okay. We have to use this. Okay. First one is S S S exam, right? And second one is there S. This is first one. This second one SAS. Second one is SS exam. Okay. And third one is there ESA, right? This exam I want to share with you. And number fourth exam is there AAS AAS exam, okay? And this last and fifth one is there exam RHS, okay? These are the exam that we need to use while proving the triangle congruent, okay? And in this given triangle, look student, how to prove these two triangle. This one triangle is LAC, okay? This is suppose this is one triangle, right? And the triangle is asking here LMC. This is another triangle. There are two triangles in this parallelogram, and it is asks us to prove them congruent. Okay, we are going to show them congruent figure here. Okay, and look here for this process of this one congruency, right? First, we need to draw this figure. Okay, and then in this solution, see in any triangle one. Okay, first of all, we should draw this figure and write here solution. And first of all, we need to write the given. Okay, what are given in the question? Here is given just this parallelogram, that's why these opposite sides are given. Okay, that side is parallel to this side, and LA is this one side is parallel to this side. Okay, MC, these two sides are given here parallel also. Okay, that is given. Here is given that LA M, okay, LACM we have to write. Okay, this we have to write serially. LACM is a parallelogram, it is given there. It is given the question, write them. Okay. Parallelogram. Okay, this is LAMC is a parallelogram. Okay, right? And LSM is a parallelogram. Okay, and after given, we have to write here to prove, Okay, what we are going to prove here? We are going to prove this is in question already. Triangle, right? LAC. We are going to show this triangle LAC congruent with the triangle. This is the symbol of congruency. Okay, congruent with the triangle LMC. Okay, right here LMC right here. Okay, LMC. These two triangles we have to show congruent, and we have done here also construction, right? We have done here construction in the parallelogram. Okay, there was given just LACM, and in construction what you need to write. Okay, what we need to write, see here. In construction we have to join. Okay, right here joining. Okay, joining. We have to join L and C. Right here joining L and we need to write here C here. Okay, joining L and C. Then we got here two triangle, right? We have got there two triangle, and those two triangles we are going to show congruent. Okay, then write a proof. Okay, and under this proof heading, right, in this proof heading we need to write two column here, right? We need to make here two column. See here. Okay, we need to make a two column, and then we need to divide like this. Okay, and here is like this. Okay, and then now write here serial number. This is part for the serial number and statements. Write here serial number and statement. Okay, whenever you prove the triangles congruent, statements, right? Okay, and this is statement, and here write down serial number and region. This part is for serial number and region. Okay, write here regions. Clear? Then number one, which is triangle you are going to show congruent? Write them on their name. Okay, write it in triangle. Write the name here triangle LAC. Triangle name is LAC. Okay, and the triangle name is LMC. LMC. Okay, in these two triangle, one triangle is LAC and the triangle LMC. We are using which exam? Look here. In the exam, there will be always three parts. Okay, one number, two number, and three number, right? And here is three. Okay, this is two and this is one. And we have used here. Look, we know here. Look this angle. Look here. See here now. This angle and this angle are equal because they are alternate angle, right? Here angle we can use ALC. Okay, right. ALC. ALC angle is equal to, we have the another also, by another way also we can show them congruent, but look, I am using this angle and this angle equal because they are, look, L ALC first, ALC, another is MCL. Okay, angle MCL. Okay, MCL. This is here A. Okay, we are using here A here, make it A. This is one number, no reason by taking the angle pseudo. Okay, and it is being altered angle at a region. Being altered angle, they are equal. Okay, being alternate angles right here. Being alternate angles. Being alternate angles, right? Okay, being alternate angles, they are equal. And number two, we know LC, this middle one, LC equals to, we can tell it CL. LC and CL are equal. LC and this is not the box from here now. Do the box here. Okay, this we are taking here. Look, student, this LC side. Okay, this LC side and CL side are equal. CL and LC are same. Okay, this is side, right? Number two, its reason will be the common side. It's the same side. Look here. LC and CL are same. That's where idea being common side they're equal. Okay, being common side right here. Okay, being common side. Look, for the both the triangles, they are, look, this LC side will be common. Being common side. Right here, being common side. Okay. And number three, look here. We have to take this angle now. This angle, what is this name? ACL. Right here, angle ACL. That is equal to, ACL equals to this angle. No? That's MLC. Altered angle. That's also angle MLC. Right. Its reason will be, also being altered angle. Right here, being altered angles. Right. Being alternate angles. Right. Okay. They are equal because of the alternate angle. Being alternate. Okay. Being alternate angles right here. Being alternate angles, they are equal. Okay. Now look, it has followed which exam here? Here first one is A, then side, then A again. That means they are congruent by which exam? Then number two we have tried here. Which triangle we had taken here? The first triangle was here. This is right. That is LAC. Triangle LAC, right? Has become congruent. Okay. This has become congruent to triangle. The name of the entire triangle is given LMC. LMC. Okay. Write LMC, right? LMC. Which exam we are used here? We have used here, the exam name is called by, okay, right, by here angle side angle exam, right? Angle side angle exam. These two triangles have become congruent, right? Because of this angle side angle exam. Then we have tried bottom of this table right here, hence proved, right? Proved right here. Proved here. Okay. The question, whatever it had asked, it is proved there. We need to show these two triangle congruent. That we have shown the congruent them. Okay. Okay. This is the way to prove the given triangles congruent in this parallelogram, right? If you have any difficulties, you can share with me and write your difficulties in the comment box so that I can solve. I can prepare the video for you. Okay. Yeah. I'm checking the comment box. Okay. If you have any difficulties, share. Okay, children. You can share your difficulties regarding the trigonometry also. If you have, you can write your difficulties in comment box so that I can solve it. Okay. Okay. Now see here. If you, I was checking your comment one. See here. Okay, I want to clear this board and I want to share the third question. Yeah, it is from, the question is from trigonometry. Okay, the question is asking for the proof. Okay, to prove. How to prove? The question is given here to prove that asking. Okay, prove that. And the question is asked here, and that is given square root. Okay, square root. There is 1 minus cos a, 1 minus cos a numerator here, 1 minus, right here cos a. Okay, here is given 1 minus cos a, and down denominator there is given here 1 plus cos a, right? Here is 1 plus cos a, 1 plus cos a, write it here. And then right hand side we need to bring there is cosec a minus cot a. Here we need to bring is cosec a, cosec a minus cot a. Okay, this we need to bring here to prove. Then look, Celine. And how to prove this question? Look here. I want to show you here. Write a solution. Okay, and then write left hand side because we are solving left hand side and we'll get its answer. Okay, of right hand side. Left hand side equals to what is here? In this right same, and numerator there is given 1, right, minus cos a, right here 1 minus cos a, right, and down denominator there is given 1 plus cos a. Okay, in this solution what I tell you, look here, we need to try to remove right? We need to try to remove this square root, okay, from this question, right? Let's try to remove this square root from this question, okay? And for that, look here what we need to do. First of all, write, okay, square root, this one, and then write here 1 minus cos A, right here 1 minus cos A, okay, and down there is 1 plus cos A, right? 1 plus cos A, and we need to multiply its numerator and denominator by the same value, that is 1 minus cos A. Let's put here what will be here, 1 minus cos A, and down it will be also 1 minus cos A, right? Numerator and denominator we are multiplying by same values, okay? 1 minus cos A, 1 minus cos A. Then what happens, look here, then, and its numerator there will be 1 minus cos A, okay, 1 minus cos A whole square it will be here, and down there will be 1 minus, look here, it's A plus B, A minus B, no, that's why it will be here 1 square, right? Okay, here will be now A plus B, A minus B means A square minus B square, okay? B square is there, cos square A, right? Then look children, what will be here now, see? This also write same here, 1 minus cos A, right? Write a 1 minus cos A whole square, okay? Then down there will be A, look at 1 square, A square, this B square, this 1 minus cos square A means we know this is, okay, sine square A, its formula is, write a sine square A, okay? Write a sine square A. Then we know, look, its numerator also has square, here also square. This square root will be cancelled with the square sign, okay? This one is square values. Then here remain here only 1 minus cos A remains in numerator, and denominator they remain, right? What will remain in denominator? Denominator there will remain sine A only, right? Here sine A, okay, here remains sine A. Then we can separate them, okay? Because denominator is single, then we can separate like this, 1 by sine A, single denominator, that is denominator of both the term, 1 minus sine A, and down you can look here, next term, this minus cos A, write a cos A, okay, and down there will be by sine A, here will be like this, okay, separate like this, 1 by sine A minus cos A by sine A. It means 1 by sine A means what? We know its value is cosec A, because that is the reciprocal relation, that is right, a cosec A, right, minus cos A by sine A means we have right here now, it is the formula of cot A. Look children, so the same thing was there in right hand side, look here, here That means we solved left hand side and we got the value of right hand side. It is right hand side value, right? RHS. Okay. Then our question is proved. Right here, proved. It is proved. Okay, here we solved left hand side and we got right hand side. Our solution is proved here. I hope you understood it. Okay. This is the question that I said from the optional math one. If you have any other problem, please share with me. Okay, students. If you have any confusion regarding difficulties, share with me. Okay, I'm checking your comment box. Just a minute. Okay, look here. Okay, one question is there that I want to clear this. Now I am going to share with you fourth number, okay? And look, children, how to factorize by algebraic tiles, okay? Algebraic tiles, how to factorize by using algebraic tiles, okay? Suppose there is, okay, given the question like this to factorize. Suppose there is given factorize like this given. Here is factorize question, okay? If it is asked to factorize by using algebraic tiles, suppose if there is given by using algebraic tiles here, I want to show you here how to factorize by using algebraic tiles. Algebraic tiles, okay? If the question is given like this, look here. The question is given here is x square, right? Look here. I want to show you one question there. The question is this is the question here. X square plus 3x, okay? Here is given plus 3x. X square plus 3x, okay? And plus here is given 2. How to factor this by using algebraic tile, look here. And for this, look here children. Here how many square tile here given that we have to use, look here. I want to show you here this one. We have to use a big one square, okay? This one here, tile, square tile. We have to use this square tile, big square tile. There is one, okay? And there is how many rectangular tile, look there. We are using there 3, okay? Rectangular tile is 3 here. We are using this 3 tile there. There is all positive, that's why it must be here green or blue, okay? Use this blue one, okay? There is rectangular tile 3, okay? Here are 3 rectangle. Now unit tile, what will be there? 2. This unit tile is small one, 2, okay? This unit tile is 2 there, right? And this all positive, that's why we have to use here right? Here we have to use blue color. Okay, this is all blue color. This all tile is blue color. Use them blue color here. Okay, this is all blue color. This is a blue color. Okay, this tile all blue color. This also tile is blue color, and this unit tile also blue color because all positive blue color make. And look, Celine, this big one, big square tile. This is because there is look one x square. This is for x square. Okay, these are for the what? This rectangular tile 1, 2, and 3, and this is 2 is the unit tile. There is 2 here, right? Okay. Now we are going to arrange this tile and make okay here like this arrangement. Look here. First of all, this we have to bring here. See, now we are doing this one here. This big square tile here. Okay. This is x square right here. Here is x square. That means its length also x, right? Here is also x, right? And here is also x. Okay, here also will be x here, we know. And that's why now let's put this, rectangular tile we are arranging here. One is here, one here, and this is here, okay? They're all together three rectangular tile, right? They're all together three rectangular tile. That's one I put here. The next one is here also. This two, here is two. And now let's arrange next one rectangle. This is left. Put it here, okay? Here is another rectangular tile here. Okay. Altogether, how many there? One, two, three. Here is one, two, three. Right? This side is what is this one? This is one. Okay. Here is one because this length one is x and this length one is one. Okay. This x. Okay. This is rectangular tile one. This length is x. Breadth is one. Now what is left space here? Look here. Here are also unit tile. Let's put them here. Okay. One unit tile is here and another unit tile is here. Okay. Now let's check this side. This total what will be here? This total has become x plus 1. Okay, x plus 1. This side is x plus 1. And now what is this? Is this 1 and this is also 1, right? That's why this from here to here, this length became x plus 2. Okay, this side has become x plus 2. Look, you can check this also. Here is x, this is x, and this side is 2. This total length is also what is this? X plus 2. Okay, and this side what is this one? This part is x and this part is 1, and it has become here also x plus 1. Okay, like this is factorization of that one. It has become x plus 1 is the one factor, and another factor is there, x plus 2. Okay, this side is 2, this x plus 2, and this side is x plus 1. Okay, like this we have to factorize by using the algebraic tiles. Okay, this part is x plus 2, this part is x plus 1, and its area total one is what? This one. Okay, length and breadth we have to multiply, and these two are the factors for this algebraic expression. I hope you understood it. How to factorize this algebraic, okay, this expression by using algebraic tile. These are the algebraic tiles we have to use like this. Okay, this is the answer. I hope you understood it. If you have any other queries, okay, regarding your difficulties, please share in comment box. I will try to solve, okay? Okay, if you have any confusion, please write in chat box, okay? Comment box. Okay, here I am going to show you now next question, that is 5 number. Look here, which is there. How to find out the product, okay? Here is given, or you can tell multiply, okay? How to find out the product of 3x plus 4y, okay, and wait, 2x plus, right, 5y. If these two expressions are given to find the product, then how to find the product? See here, write a solution, okay? Then mention there question again, 3x plus 4y, right? If it is asked to find the product, write in place and write multiply sign, okay? If you don't write multiply, if you put the bracket only, also okay. And write here 2x plus 5y, okay? These are the two binomial here that we are going to multiply here, okay? Look, student, here. After this, what to do? See here. First is the tone of this 3x, okay? Write 3x here, okay? Then 3x is going to multiply with This 2x plus 5y, right here 2x. Okay, 2x plus 5y right here. Okay, then whose term came here now? This is plus 4y, right here plus 4. If it is minus, right here minus. Okay, here is plus, that's why right here plus 4y. Okay, then there is 2x plus 5y right here. Okay, this is the method to find the product. Look here. Now 3x multiplied with this 2x, it will be here 6x square, that is 6x square. Now plus into plus, here will be plus sign. 3x into 5y means 3 5s are, that is 15. Okay, and x into y, that is xy, right, xy. Now this plus, this is a plus, right, a plus sign. 4 2s are, it will be here 8. Then write here x y, that means xy, x into y, xy. And this plus, this is also plus, this sign should be multiplied. Okay, don't forget to multiply this sign. Plus into plus, it will plus, same sign means plus. 4 5s are 20 right here. Okay, it will be 20 y square. Okay, then now look here, this is what 6x square right here, 6x square plus 15xy plus 8 means 23. Okay, this is 23xy. Okay, the like term we can add them, and then plus what is there, 20y square. Yeah, it is the answer of this product. Okay, of this multiply. This is the process to find square. Okay, okay, if you have any other difficulties you can share with me. Okay, if you have any queries, okay, if you have any difficulties, you can share. Okay, there is given one question. X square minus 1. Okay, one factorization is there now. given in my comment box. Okay, this is to factorize. Look here, and here is given 2a square plus 5a plus 2. Look here, 2a square plus 5a plus 2. Look, children, while factorization, okay, of such one, we have to multiply this 2 and this 2. Okay, 2 2s will be here 4, right? Then let's factorize 4, and we need to bring two factors like this. Okay, 4 ones are 4, right? And 4, we know that 4 into 1 is 4 into 1 is 4, right? And we know 4 plus 1 is here 5. Okay, that's why in place of 5 you write now here, while factorizing this expression, write here 2a square plus, right here 4 plus 1. Okay, 4 1s is 4, because 2 2s are what was here 4, no? And write here a, write the a. Okay, and here will be 2, and now it will be here. Look, open the bracket, 2a square, okay, plus 4, and right here a plus 1a, okay, and here is plus 2. Okay, then we have to take LCM, this is common. Okay, this two terms common. Okay, then look here, 2a common, then what is remaining here? Here is remaining a plus 2 remaining here. Then here is nothing, means 1 is remaining as the common factor of these two terms, right? A 1 common. Then here is remaining a plus 2. Okay, that means look here, here is a plus 2, here is also a plus 2. Then again we can take them common, right here a plus 2 here. Okay, then next one is there 2a plus 1. This is the way to factorize. Okay, this is the way to factorize such type of question. Okay, such factorization, this trinomials one. And look there, here is asked there factorization. I have solved here factorization. Factorization I solved here, how to factorize, and this algebraic tile one. And okay, what is this? 16x squared. Okay, okay, look here. This also I want to share here with you. I hope you understood this one. This is sixth one. Now I want to write here seventh one. There is given question. I am trying to solve this question also, which has come in my comment box. This is given to factorize 16. Okay, 16x uh, square y square. Okay, 16x square y square, right? And there is given minus 4xy square minus 4xy square. Okay, and the last term there is coming 30y square. Look there, 30y square. Okay, it has come in comment box. And then I will show the next one also. Okay, okay. Mm. Now look here, this is here. First of all, look there, there is common in all. Is there? Yes, there is common, and that is okay, 2. Let's take 2 common. 2, and here is also xy, here is also xy, but here is no x, okay, there is y only. Then write y square in all common, okay. This is the solution, okay, for this question. Before this, we need to write question again, okay. This is the solution I have shown directly. And then if we take 2 common here is left 8, 2 8s are right. Then y square common gone, here is left x square only. Write x square minus 2 2s are okay. Here will be 2 and y square already gone common, then here is x left, and minus 2 common gone, then here will be here 15, okay. Here left 15 only because 15 2s are. And now look here, and this 8 and this 15 we have to multiply, okay. In row only, at the side only you can do multiplication, okay. Multiply them and it comes here 15 5 8s are 40, right. And 8 1s 8, 8 plus 4 12, 120 comes. Now we have to factorize this 120 and we need to bring this 2, okay, by subtraction. Here is big minus, that way. Write here 2 6 are 12, then 2 zeros are, then we can do here 2 30s are, right. Then check the next one, okay. Then it will be here 2 15s are, okay. Then next also do have 3 5s are, okay. 3 5s are 15. Now let's make from here 2 factor only whose subtraction should come 2. Yeah, it comes here 2 to the 4, 4 is a 12, and here is 2 5s are 10, okay. Then write here 12 into 10, okay. 12 into 10 is what here? 120, right? And we know 12 minus 10 also we have to do here. 12 minus 10, it will come here 2, right? Like this we have to write here, and write here equals to 2y square, okay. Then write curly bracket here. Then let's do the middle term break of this one. 8x square, right, is same, and minus, in place of 2 we need to write now 12 minus 10. Write it 12 minus 10, okay. 12 minus 10 here, and write it this x, okay, and minus this is 15, okay. Then curly bracket close here, and then equals to this one first factor at same 2a square. Then now open the bracket here, it will be 8x square, okay, minus it will be 12x, right here 12x, minus it is, here is the chance to do mistake, okay. This minus minus plus will be here, okay. Here plus 10x minus 15, right. Then curly bracket close, okay. Then after this is the factor, this one first, this was y square, okay. 2y square that we had taken at the beginning. Now there are 4 factor. Now let's take common here. 4x is common, then 4 to the 2 left here, then x 4 to the 8, minus 4 3 the, then will be 3 here, then y, okay, 4 3 12, then plus, here is common, there is common 5, right, and here is 5 to the, then 2x left, and 5 3 is 15, that's why is left 3, right. Close this and curly bracket. Now look at these 2 factor are same, that's why right here common them, okay. 2y square, then what is common now here? 2x minus 3y, okay. Then next one is there 4x, okay. Then plus 5, and then these are the factors for this question, okay. This is the way to factor this question. I hope understood. Other also you can share with me, okay, if you have any difficulties. Some of the students are sharing, okay, that I am solving here also in this video. Okay, I have solved here the question asked by the students. They can watch it and get benefit from it. Okay, here is the factors that I have shown asked by the students. Okay, if you have other queries, other questions, please share with me so that I can solve, and it will be very, very helpful for you. Now here is asked one question, okay, that I want to show you in algebraic tile one, okay. This 8 number. Here is question asked by the student that how to show this x square minus 1 in algebraic tile, okay. In algebraic tile. Algebraic tile, okay. Right? Algebraic. Algebraic, okay. Algebraic tiles, okay. In algebraic tile, okay. How to show them. See here, children. that I want to show you here. First, there is in the solution right here. How to show this x square minus 1 algebraic tile? That we know this is one big square tile, okay? Square tile. This is a square tile. Its value is here x square, right? And and here is no rectangular tile. That's why here will be one rectangular tile, okay? Here, this is another rectangular tile here, okay? And this is of, look children, this is of, okay, blue color, okay? This is a blue color. This is a blue color tile, okay? This is positive, right? And this is of this one, okay? I want to make here. Now this is of red color one. Look here. This is now of what? Red color, because this blue color and red color to be balanced now. It's cancelled, okay? This is rectangular tile, okay? This is 1x negative, this is 1x positive, okay? Positive 1x and negative 1x is 0, and then after here is minus 1. This one unit tile, okay? There is also unit tile here is this. This is also red, okay? This is also red. This is also red. This also minus 1, right? This is the way to solve this one. And we can see here now, look, this part is here. This is the part for what? X, and this one is 1, okay? This total, what happened this now? This became here x plus 1. This part is x plus 1. And now this is total x, okay? As we know, this is x, okay? And this is minus 1, this 1, okay? Then what happened? This total 1 is here. This is x minus 1, okay? This part is x plus 1, and this part is x minus 1, right? Now let's check here. This is also, now what happened here? This part is x plus 1, this part is x minus 1. Yeah, it is also here x, and here is minus 1, okay? Right? Now, this total 1 is here. This part also became, this part is x, okay? And this part has become here. This opposite sides are equal. That's why this is x plus 1, okay? This part is x plus 1, and this part is x plus minus 1, okay? This part is x minus 1. And look here, here is one line here, and this part, look here, okay? This is showing the algebraic tile in this x square minus 1 square, x plus 1. Here is 1 square, okay? This x square, this balance here plus 1x, this minus 1x, right? Actually, it has become like this. Look here, x square. This one is plus 1x, right? And next one has become there minus 1x, okay? And last one has become here 1 only. And we know this and this cancel, right? And remaining there x square minus 1, okay? This is the way, x plus 1, this x minus 1. Okay, now I want to go for the next question. This is 9 number question. Okay, some of the students are asking about the locus. What is the meaning of locus? Look there. Locus, one see there. I want to explain about locus. Okay, locus. Okay, what is the meaning of locus? Look here. Locus is the path. Okay, right? Locus is the path made by the moving points. Okay, or traced by the moving points. It is a path made by the moving points. And the question related to this is, look there. This is the question from geometry. Okay, coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, right? As I told you the definition already, locus is the path made by the or traced by the, and they'll be given the question like this. Look here. Suppose this is the question. Look here. One path is there, straight line is there. Okay. This is the path. Okay. This path is one locus. Okay. And its equation is given there. Okay. It is the its path. Okay. Its locus is given there. Okay. Suppose its locus is given there. X. Okay. Question. Okay. Minus ky. Right. If this is the locus, right, that locus is made by the point. Okay, this locus was made by this point. Suppose here is one point. Suppose this point name is given there a. Okay, and a point is given there 2 comma minus 1. Suppose there is given 2 comma minus 1, right? If 2 comma minus 1 is the point which has made, okay, this locus, okay, this line is made by this point. Okay, when it moved this side, okay, this locus is made, right? What does it mean? It means that when we put this point, okay, this point on this locus, okay, it satisfies. Okay, that means right here a 2 comma 1, a 2 comma minus 1 lies. Okay, a 2 comma minus 1 lies on the locus. Okay, lies on the locus, lies on the locus. What does it mean? It means this is the value of x and this is the value of y. of this locus. Okay, then what will be there? Let's put this value in place of x over there. Locus is given there x minus ky, right? X minus ky equals to 4. Okay, then we will get the value of this unknown. Okay, value this one k. Okay, then x is what there? 2. Then write it 2 minus k, we don't know, and we have given here the point y is there minus 1. That's why we have to put in bracket. This is minus 1 and equals to 4, right? Write a 4. Then we have to solve it. See here, this will be plus 1k now, right? Minus minus plus equals to this 2 comes on this right side. It will be 4 minus 2 right here. 4 minus 2, and here is remaining 1k only, right? Right here 1k equals to 4 minus 2 will be here 2 only, right? Then like this we found the value of this k. Therefore k value is coming there 2. Look, this is the locus, this line, okay? This equation is made by this point. That's why this lies on this, okay? This lies, okay? This lies on this locus, okay? It lies, okay? It lies on this locus, means it lies on this equation, okay? That means we have to put the value of x2 and y value is minus 1. Like this we find the unknown value of this one, okay? And suppose there may be given related to this question, okay, this topic locus, there may be the question like this also. Look, this is question number 10. Look, children, okay. The question may be asked like this. In the locus one, find the equation of the locus of the moving point. Okay, it is question given like this. Look here. I want to show you here. Find the equation of the find the equation of a locus. Find the equation. Find the equation of locus. Okay. The locus of a moving point. Of a moving point. moving moving point. Okay, find the equation of a locus of a moving point which moves. Question like look here. Which moves which moves such that which moves such that okay it is you can tell it's okay which moves such that which moves such that okay which moves such that it's distance from okay. Look here, we are going to find that question again here. Here's one point given. Suppose let the moving point be x, y. Okay, let moving point be moving. Let moving point. Let moving point be okay. Pxy. Px comma y. Suppose this is okay. Then is distance from okay. Now question telling that is distance from the point to one point, another point is given there. Suppose A this point is given there 2 comma 3 okay 2 comma 3 is given there and distance also given between these 2 points, that is distance is given there 8 units okay distance is given there 8 units and question has asked us to find this locus of this point. 8 units distance given there and moving point we have to suppose pxy okay. Then here we have to write here distance. Look here, we know distance formula is what here? Distance formula is we know x2 minus x1 right x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square we know y2 minus y1 whole square it is the formula of distance okay and make it longer here. Then distance value is given there what? Distance value is given the 8 units at 8 and substitute other values also here, that is x2. We can suppose first one is x1 this x2 okay this second coordinate is x2 y2 right this is x2 y2 right and this is x1 y1 that we have supposed first coordinate x1 y1 okay. Then what will be here? This will be x2 means 2 minus x whole square right plus next one is y2 means that 3 minus y whole square okay. Then when you do squaring both sides square root will be cancelled. We'll do later that one. Let's open this formula first. This formula will be here a minus b whole square, that's why a square minus 2 into 2 whenever a and this is b means x, here is x square, that is b square. Then what will be this? This will be a square means what is that? 3 square minus 2ab. Now 2 a means a B, this one. A means a 3 and B means Y, okay? Y to AB, and then we can write here B means what here? B square, that is Y square, okay? Now write here squaring both sides. If you do squaring both sides, then square root will be cancelled. Squaring, squaring both sides. Do here squaring both sides. Do here squaring both sides, then it will be here 8 square, right? And then it will be here all square root cancel, then write them in order. Here will be remaining x square plus y square, right? And then here this is minus 4x, and this is minus 6y, right? And one number is there, there is this is 4 and this is 9, okay? 9 plus 4, there is 13, right? Right, 13. Now if you bring this 8 square here, that will be 64. Then what will be this side? Then write this all, x square plus y square, okay, minus 4x, right? Minus 4x minus 6y, right? 4x minus 6y. Then this we have to subtract, that is 13 minus 64, it will be 13 minus 64, right? 13 minus 64, it will be there. Then it will be minus 51. There will be minus 51, and that side will be 0. And this will be the required locus. Okay, therefore locus is this, okay? X square plus y square minus 4x, right? Minus 6y, and this is minus 51 equals to 0 is the locus. This is our answer of this locus, okay? That is okay, that is this the answer of this locus. Moving point is here xy, okay? Its distance is given from this point A to the 8 units, and in such condition we have to find the locus like this, right? Okay, now in this class this much only. If you have any other questions, you can ask me writing in comment box so that I can solve it in the evening, in night time, okay? In the evening class one, okay? Right? Okay, bye bye, see you, okay, in the next class. Hope you all are doing good. Thank you very much.